How do I set up local multiplayer for Battlefield 1?
Hello, fellow gamers. Today, we're going to talk about how you can set up local multiplayer for Battlefield 1. While Battlefield 1 doesn't directly support local multiplayer or split screen, there are ways you can play together on the same network or using online multiplayer. Let's get started.
Understanding the limitations of local multiplayer.
First things first, it's important to understand that Battlefield 1 does not support local multiplayer in the traditional sense. This means that you won't be able to play split screen on the same console or PC. However, you can play together on the same local network. This is often referred to as LAN, Local Area Network, gaming, and it involves each player having their own system and copy of the game. Alternatively, you can also play together online.
Setting up LAN, Local Area Network, play.
If you and your friends are in the same physical location and each have your own system and copy of Battlefield 1, you can set up a local multiplayer game. Here's how. 1. Ensure that all systems are connected to the same network. This can be a wired or wireless network. 2. Each player should launch Battlefield 1 on their system. 3. Select multiplayer from the main menu and then create a new game. 4. Choose the local option when setting up the game. This will allow other players on the same network to join your game. 5. Invite your friends to join the game. They should be able to see the game in their list of available games, as long as they are connected to the same network. Please note, while the above steps are generic, the exact process can vary based on the platform you're using: PC, Xbox, PlayStation.
Setting up online multiplayer.
If you and your friends aren't in the same location, or if you prefer not to set up a LAN game, you can also play together online. Here's how. 1. Each player should launch Battlefield 1 on their system and go to the multiplayer section of the main menu. 2. One player should create a new online game and invite the others to join. You can do this by selecting Create Game and then inviting your friends from your system's friends list. 3. The other players should accept the invitations to join the game. Once everyone is in the game lobby, you can start the game. So, there you have it. While Battlefield 1 doesn't support traditional local multiplayer, you can still have fun playing together on the same local network or online. It may take a bit more setup than traditional local multiplayer, but the fun of playing together is well worth it. Hope this guide has been helpful and enjoy your multiplayer gaming experience in Battlefield 1.